I'm Anil Kumar, and in these set of videos we are going to understand the linear relations. If you sketch a linear relation, you'll always get a line, a straight line. In these set of videos we will understand how to connect the description about the line with its equation and graph. The question here is, understand description of linear relation. That is our basic motive. Draw a graph of each description and write an equation. In every set we'll have two, which I'll do for you, and I hope these descriptions will help you understand better about linear relation. The first one here is, line goes through the origin and the point -2, 4. The second description for the second line is, line slopes up from left to right at a 45 degrees angle and passes through 0, -2. Let us first understand description given in A, which is line goes through the origin and the point -2, 4. Let us say that is the coordinate system for us. We are talking about a line which goes through origin, that is this point, and the point -2, 4. -2 is the x value, y value is somewhere there, 4, right? So if I connect this point with the line and then extend it, we get a straight line. A straight line you'll always get if you connect 2 points. So the 2 points given to us in this particular case are origin 0 and the second point is -2, 4. It really means that the x value is -2 and the y value is 4. So that is the graph of the line, right? So we'll sketch rough graphs just as I've done one here. You can take a graph paper and do a better job. Now from here, let us try to find the equation of the line. Since the line goes through the origin, we know y-intercept is 0, right? So we say y equals to 0 is the y-intercept. And slope of this line will be, it has to be negative as the line is going down. So if you consider these 2 points, one is -2, 4, the other one is origin, which is 0, 0, then we get 4 minus 0 divided by -2 minus 0, right? So that gives you the ratio of 4 and -2, which is -2, right? So the slope is -2. The equation could be written in the form of y equals to mx plus b. This one, y-intercept is 0, so b is 0, right? So that means b equals to 0. Slope is -2, so we can write the equation as y equals to -2x, right? So that is how every point on this line is connected. Y is -2x. Let us check this. If x is -2, then -2 times -2 will be 4. You will get 4 as the point, right? So now we have connected the description with the graph and its equation, correct? Let's do the next one. Here we have line slopes up from left to right at a 45 degrees angle and passes through 0, -2. So in this particular description, what we are saying is that the line is sloping upwards and it passes through 0, -2. That means 0 -2 means y value is somewhere here, right? At an angle of 45 degrees means if you go up by 1, then you go right also by 1, kind of, right? So that is how you have to move. We could join the point with a line at an angle of 45 degrees. If the angle is 45, then the slope is, rise over run is same, slope is 1, right? So from here, what we have here in this case is y-intercept, which is the value b, is -2, right? So when I say y-intercept b, we are actually writing these equations in the term of y equals to mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is y-intercept. So that is minus 2. That is b. And slope m is 1. Line slopes up from left to right. That means positive slope at an angle of 45 degrees. That means rise over run is same, right? So slope is 1. Therefore, we can write down the equation as y equals to, in the equation y equals to mx plus b, let me write down first the equation in general form, y equals to mx plus b. We know slope m is 1, so I'll write y equals to 1 times x, that is x, and b is minus 2, minus 2. So that becomes the equation of the line, right? So the second description is about the line which is rising upwards with y-intercept of minus 2 and equation y equals to x minus 2. I hope that helps you to connect the descriptions with the graph and the equation. We'll do a couple of more examples and that will give you a fairly good idea about linear relations. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.